Quit processed sugar for just 14 days, and your body may begin changing in ways you never imagined. Every day, processed sugar bombards your body. Then one day, you stop. Your pancreas finally gets a break. Your bloodstream becomes less chaotic. Your liver starts clearing excess stored fuel. Fat processing is activated. Stored fat is broken down and converted to energy. Waste is eliminated, keeping your system optimal. Inflammatory signals begin to quiet down. Many people notice improved mental clarity. Your gut environment begins to rebalance. After 14 days, your body is already adapting to a healthier metabolic state. The change starts with a single decision.
Step into a world where medical science comes alive like never before. At SKM Medical Media, we transform complex concepts into simple, visual, and engaging stories for everyone. From molecules to medicine, from theory to real-life impact, learning has never been this powerful. Subscribe and stay connected, because every episode brings science closer to you.